How to add friends on Venmo. So if you want to add friends on your Venmo, or if you want to split bills and quick payments and share funny transactions with friends on Venmo, then first you'll need to add them. So first what you need to do is open up your Venmo application and then make sure that you're on your home screen. And you can also do this on your website. So go and log in at first. So on your website, once you've logged in, you need to just simply tap on the search bar at the top and type your friend's Venmo username. If the username matches, you will see their profile up here. You need to tap on Add Friend to send a friend request. You can also do this, which is tap the search bar at the top and then tap the scan icon. It looks like a QR code next to the search bar. Ask your friend to open their Venmo app and try their profile picture. They will see their unique QR code. Scan your friend's QR code with your phone's camera. A friend request will be automatically sent, and there you have it. Remember, you need to accept your request before you can start sending Venmo payments between your friends. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.